Alright guys, welcome to C++ series, and in this video we are going to print a multiplication table using user input. Okay, so we are going to take a user input. Alright, let's say I is equals to 1 and x will be user input. So for that we'll say at first for user, enter a number, and we will say um, all right, we'll say that, and we'll say C in, wait, C in, and we'll say X. All right, and after that, we'll run our loop. We'll take I semicolon. I is less than equals to 10, so that we have to run 10 time loop 10 time, and I plus plus increment by 1, and we will say here see out. What we'll say is our number is x. All right, after that x times our loop, x times loop is I, which is 1 2 3 and 4, like that, is equals to, we'll say again, is equals to uh is equals to what it will be here, it will be x times I. So yeah, so what it will do is it will set I to 1, and x is, we take it from input from user, uh, from console, and it will run this loop, and it will say x, which is user entered, and I, which is changed by user, like from 1 to 10, and it will do x times I is equals to x times I. It'll multiply this user input into this, so we'll get our output. So let's run this program and see what result do we get. It's a integer number. I want to have 9 table number. Can I edit in read only editor? Edit in read only editor. So it's a problem here. It's running. All right. I'll pause the video and I'll solve and come return. Okay. All right, guys. I found the solution for it. So we have to run this in terminal. So you have to go in File and your Preferences and Setting. Okay. I have this open here, and you have to search Code Runner, and here you'll see you have to scroll and finds like run in terminal, so it'll run that in terminal, so that uh yeah, you can see here we can enter some data, whether to run code in integrated terminal, yeah, run in terminal. All right, and um after that we'll say run this program, run code, and it will ask for a number, and I wanna output table of 9. Let's enter that, and it will give us the output. See here, we have 9 ones 9, like 9 times 2 18, 9 times 2 27, 9 times 4 36, and 9 times 10 90, and loop ended. That's how we can print our multiplication table. Now we can run that again and see the program ended here. All right, that has to be run code. All right, and it'll ask again, let's test. Okay, let's say 6 here, and it'll give 6 table. Okay, so that's how for loop works. So what we did is um, we asked the number from user and multiply it 10 times using for loop. That's it. That's how it works. Okay, and that's it, guys. We'll do another problem in next video. Thank you.